Okay, this is a quick video on how to reset your oil change intervals on a 2023 Kia Soul. Have to go to your selector button, press that, scroll to settings, user settings. You're going to scroll down to convenience. It should start up here, driver assistance, go down to convenience, press your OK. There is service interval. Try to get this to focus. Press it. You have adjust interval, reset. If you go to adjust, you can adjust how many miles to your next interval per months. Down to reset, and you would reset it there. Just push that and you'll have your reset. I've already done it, so I won't be doing that.